Hey loves, welcome back to my channel Visionary Curls, and I just wanted to hop on today to share with you guys a style of mine that is my absolute favorite. So first things first, I want you to go on ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and go on ahead and hit that like button for me. That'd be great. Thank you guys so much for your support, by the way. And yeah, I thank you for coming on this journey with me of hair and beauty, fashion, and all that. And yeah, just really allowing me just to share with you guys what I have to offer. So anywho, first things first, I want to go ahead and let you guys know I want you to go into the comments down below. Sorry. Lost my train of thought for a second. So yeah, I want you to go down into the comments and let me know what you guys want me to do as far as the Try Friday videos. What do you guys want me to review next? Because actually I do want to apologize. I didn't upload one this past Friday because unfortunately I didn't have any products for you to for me to try and show you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go on a little scavenger hunt for this week and go find products out there that I think you guys want to see and know what they're about, especially before you go out and buy and waste your money. Okay. All right. So with all that being said, let's go on ahead and jump right into the video. Okay. So today, as I mentioned, I have a favorite hairstyle or updo, whatever. A favorite hairstyle that I love to do of mine. It's kind of like just a quick little updo that I do when I'm on the go or when I want to look cute, but still it just be relaxed in a way, even if I want to wear it as a lazy day hairstyle or whatever. Like right after I wash my hair, I do this style. So anyways, I call it the Faux Bang high puff. I'm sure I'm not the first one that's called it that, but you know, it is what it is. That's what I'm calling it today. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so I don't mind my hair now. I got off of work not too long ago, so let me go ahead and take out my hairstyle from today. Nothing much, just a bun. So yeah. All right, beautiful. Feels good. Okay, so I'm gonna just massage that apart. All right, nice. Okay, now that my hair is all crazy and all over my head, I'm going to go ahead and use my spray bottle, which keep in mind, as I said in previous videos, I mix it with, I mix water with my conditioner and shampoo. It's a co-wash, by the way. It's the Cantu co-wash. It's over there, but I don't feel like getting it right now. But anyways, check out my Try Friday video last week, from last week, excuse me. And you guys will know what I'm talking about and how that product worked for my hair. So anywho, yes, spraying my hair, getting it all moisturized. Yep, and I mix it because I find that my hair does much better detangling, obviously when wet, but along with a co-wash or either a conditioner in the water that I spray it with, and it works well as a detangler. Okay, so that's just what I do. Okay, so just getting it nice and saturated. Okay. All right, so now that my hair is nice and wet for the most part. I have many textures in my hair, so keep in mind that some pieces take longer, some sections of my hair take longer to saturate than other pieces. So bear with it. Okay. All right, so now that that's all nice and saturated and wet, I'm going to take my comb, and what I do is okay. So I take here and here. I start I do a part from here, like in a square or like forming like a box. And meet the other point that I just showed you. Okay. So you know, just going all the way through, separating all of that in the front, and coming back around to the other side and forming two parts on either side of, all right, on either side. Okay. So there's that. That's about how much I'm gonna use. So then I'm going to take and just bobby pin it out of the way, twist and bobby pin it. Okay, so now that I have that pinned up and out of the way, I'm going to do my high puff. So what I do is I gather or comb the rest of my hair. Lord, my glasses are falling off and stuff. All in the back, I pull out my hair out. Just like so. You guys can use gel on the sides. I don't. I just tend to pin it up as I need, especially when I have the extras left out. Okay, so all right. Woo. Okay, so now that we have our high puff, it's nice and sleek, nice and up. Shoosh. Okay, so I'm going to get one hair tie. Okay, and then tie it. Just going ahead and tie it around. Okay. You could double tie it. I never do, but you know what? For this time, I will. Okay. Okay, so there we go. There we go. Okay. now that we have our high puff, I have, okay, so I have my Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, a moisturizing curl primer and detangler for thick, curly type 4 hair, okay? So that's what I'm working with today. I'm just going to take some of it. You know, not too crazy. Just take some, put it in my hands, and then just work it through my hair. And this is, you know, just to add some extra moisture, because when I put my hair out and when I leave it out like this out of a protective style, it tends to dry out quickly. So I like to, you know, just add that moisturizer in there. Okay, just like that. And then I also have this, oh, it's gonna come out there. This Camille Rose curl maker. Okay. Marshmallow and agave leaf extract. Which, by the way, I've showed these products before on the previous videos. So go check them out if you want to see what they're about. Okay. So, yep, I take about that much. And I'm going to just spread it throughout my hair in the high puff. And then I could even put it just in the rest of my hair. I'll smooth down the edges just a little bit, not too crazy. Yeah, sometimes I use gel. I have the black jar of gel, the pro style gel or whatever it's called, which I use occasionally, but I like to, you know, try to preserve my edges as much as I can. So I try to stay away from, you know, using too much. So yeah. Okay, so lastly, we're going to take this down out of the bobbing pin. Okay. Now, this is the part that I really find the most important, so then I can get the curls defined to the way that I like them. So I go over it with the water again, just to re-moisturize. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take some conditioner, just a little, the Mielle leave-in conditioner. Okay, now some people may like it like this, you know, just leave it down like that. Me personally, it's a little too much in my face, so that's, yeah, a no-go. So I just like to do as I'm showing you in this video. So yeah, so I'm running it through from root 2, and don't forget the ends, guys. And you see how nicely it's defining my curls. And see what I mean, how many different textures I have in my hair. Some of it is more kinkier than the other, some is very loose, like in the front and in the back. All right, and so lastly, I'm going to use my curl maker, the Camille Rose. Okay, I'm gonna smooth it through. Okay, now that I have curl definition and everything like I want, okay. So I'm going to show you a little trick, guys. So what I do is I take this hair in the front and I pull it back like this, and I take bobbing pins. And I pin it just like that, right on top. So you see, let me show you again. Take and pin it. Okay, here's the button pin. Right on top and in. Okay, and then that should form the bangs that you want. Okay, and then sometimes I'll even take and, pin on the top just to bring it more closer together to my liking. Okay, so one right on top. And then bringing another one from the other direction. Try to make sure you don't pin the high puff in there. Okay, all right. And then there's my look. Okay. There we go. Okay, so hold on. Sorry, jumping ahead of myself. Okay, so I like to put accessories like I've mentioned before in other videos. So this is my go-to. I just go on ahead and put it right in there. And it just adds more of an elegant look, or like I said, relaxed, lazy look. If you want to wear some sweatpants and just throw on an accessory, it just spruces up the whole outfit. So you don't have to worry about dressing up too much without doing too much, you know what I'm saying? Anywho, so that's what it's looking like. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's not too long. Yes, and don't forget, let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see in the future. As far as the Try Friday review videos that I'm going to be posting every Friday. So let me know what products you want me to try. And secondly, I want you to let me know what you guys think in the comments about my hair. All right, well, I love you guys so very much. Thank you guys once again for all of your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and like I said, comment down below and share with your friends and family, especially if they need some help and some tips on styling their natural hair, or want to have a product tried out before you go and buy. So anyways, be blessed. Bye.